Hello and welcome to a brief orientation to SmartFactory Digital Manufacturing Solutions. Everyone uses the word smart in some fashion today. Why is SmartFactory important to you within your manufacturing environment? Well, frankly, all manufacturers are in a new era. There is so much technology out there, but they're struggling to drive benefit, particularly in what is now the advent of Industry 5.0. How do we ensure that the human-centric collaboration with systems, with machines, drives real ROI, true value to the enterprise? Don't leave yourself asking, what success are we truly realizing? The value drivers of a cloud-based solution are clear to everyone now. Taking advantage of a multi-tenant solution, SmartFactory compared to traditional on-premise MES, the time to value is drastically cut. Professional service costs greatly reduced. The need for skilled engineering or IT resources far less. Total cost of ownership drastically different than what businesses have come to expect historically. The best part, user adoption and utilization significantly up, particularly when you see the ease of the user interfaces that SmartFactory introduces to its manufacturing customers. For the manufacturer, real value is expressed in reducing the cost of goods sold. This graphic represents all the ways that every manufacturer is constantly challenged to improve their metrics for overall performance. The ranges that you see are entirely possible depending on your value streams, your products, how you operate. The SmartFactory suite of digital manufacturing solutions is designed to extend your capability regardless of your ERP. In the balance of this video series, you'll be introduced to all of the SmartFactory apps, all designed to give you more power to maximize your value proposition. So whether you're talking about real MES, machine integration, managing batches, using kitting operations to support those batches, quality and compliance where electronic batch records, digital history records are all required. What about fueling a CAPA, corrective action, preventive action program? All possible with SmartFactory complementing your ERP. How do I handle co-products? Frequently challenging. What about where I need to group work orders where they run concurrently? SmartFactory accommodates those requirements. SmartFactory is real manufacturing value real fast because it's standardized, out of the box, enabled for rapid deployment, yet having a personalized data structure to model what's important to you. The time to value is days and weeks. It allows you to start small, accelerate quickly as you achieve success. There are no costly services or complex skills required. And it's scalable. As your business grows, SmartFactory grows right along with it. Plus, it's very flexible to build custom applications from within its no-code platform to satisfy specific needs your organization may have. SmartFactory MES capability brings the visual factory to life in a very easy-to-use operator interface coupled with production management that supports sequencing or grouping where the order of work completed is important. Batch and process control capabilities enhance your current functionality for process environments when kitting, electronic batch records, 21 CFR Part 11 compliance is all essential to your success. What if your process creates co-products? SmartFactory helps you account for them. Machine integration brings the appropriate alerts, machine monitoring, process monitoring to life with connected device factory kits that enable connectivity to anything that's important in your operating environment. Quality and compliance complements your operations. We really focus on in-process inspections or inspections that may have nothing to do with ERP transactions. The ability to build that inspection, manage how they are triggered, ensure that it feeds compliance when required, is all consistent and standard for your operation. Where auditing and QC release, supported by e-signatures, is a fundamental component of your SOPs, SmartFactory enables it. Corrective action, preventive action capability helps you manage events, triage, make assignments and priorities, facilitate investigation, and ultimately provide the necessary dashboards to ensure the organization is always focused on the right thing to be better tomorrow. Co-products can be frequently challenging to customers. SmartFactory helps you align where your processing environment may create unplanned variable co-products. SmartFactory offers the potential to account for them in a timely, accurate way. You're looking at the shop floor app work summary. It's designed to be one-stop shopping if that's your desire, or we have the ability to personalize based on what's important to them and how they want to deploy all the functionality. You'll notice work instructions, in-process quality checks, the ability to move between different work orders, performance metrics at the work center and operation level. SmartFactory quality enables ease of creation and maintenance of all the properties, the fields that you need to check, whether it's transaction oriented or not. Inspections bring together all the various checks required to make sure that not only is the product compliant, the process is being effectively controlled. The kitting app can be configured to support any number of work centers, whether kitting is an operation step or not. Batch management, which takes a traditional work order, determines how many batches are required in this process environment, further supported by kitting, which takes that bill of material and differentiates by item what is required per batch, allows me to validate and scan serial numbers to ensure that I'm building that batch correctly to support that work order completion. How can I support quality events to ensure I'm driving the appropriate continuous improvement? This video series will dig into all of the apps available to the manufacturing community. You'll learn how they're integrated with one another, scalable as you need more functionality, and all designed to bring more value to your operation. So continuous improvement is truly that. Along the way, you're capturing the data that ultimately is required to fuel any artificial intelligence algorithms you may deploy. Thank you for watching this introduction to SmartFactory. To learn more about its digital manufacturing solutions, please visit smartfactory.com, watch the rest of the videos in this playlist, or contact PCG.